Here we go, 1962 Duracraft 14-foot John boat. 14 feet, semi-V hull. There's the transom. Comes with a 9.9 that runs well. Seats, AGM battery, 6-gallon gas tank, a 3-gallon gas tank, as well as the 25 horse electric start motor on a stand, motor guide, trolling motor. There you go, 46-pound thrust, foot controlled. Hummingbird doesn't work, but includes a hook, a Lowrance hook reveal. I think it's a hook 3. Brand new cover, some oars, 3 support poles for the cover. A lot of little extras. This crappy fishing rig I built. Yep, thanks.